Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make olive oil pasta. This pasta dish is so easy to make and so versatile, I use it all the time. It's kind of a play on aglio e olio, which is a classic Italian pasta dish, but mine has a little bit of lemon juice, so it's more inspired by the Amalfi Coast region. You need 1 pound of spaghetti, or you can use other shapes of pasta as well, some really good quality olive oil, some salt, red pepper flakes to bring a little bit of heat and flavor, a whole bunch of garlic, lemon juice, and some freshly chopped parsley. The parsley is completely optional, but it does bring a nice, pretty color to this easy pasta dish. You can also add on some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Work on bringing a large pot of water to a boil and season it with 2 tablespoons of salt. Then cook your pasta for the length of time indicated on the package directions. While the pasta is cooking, grab a small saucepan and we'll make the olive oil sauce. Pour in a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil and we're going to heat that over low for about 60 seconds. Then we're going to add in 8 cloves of minced garlic and then 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Give that a little stir and a swirl in the pan and heat this over low for about 60 seconds so that the oil can be infused with the flavor of the garlic and the red pepper flakes. Then go ahead and pull that off the heat and set it aside until your pasta is finished cooking to al dente. Once the pasta is done cooking, go ahead and drain it. And we're going to transfer that into a bowl. Pour on that garlic red pepper flake mixture. Add on another 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then just 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice to add a bright pop of flavor. Hit that with that optional parsley. And then toss this all together. And then that's it. You are ready to eat. This is so simple and so versatile. You can serve this up alone as just like this comfort food pasta dish. You could throw on some chicken or serve it alongside another protein. It is so versatile. Really, it goes with just about everything. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.